How to turn on or turn off notification for Rednote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to download Rednote application on your device. After that, tap and hold on the app icon. Go to app info from the menu, then go to manage notification. Simply allow the permission for notification. Then after, go to permission in this settings. You will see the option of allow. Simply click on notification and allow this permission. And that's it. Once you make these changes in your Rednote app setting, you will be able to turn on the notification. Simply to toggle it off, you can turn off this feature. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to turn on or turn off notification for Rednote app. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.